Hello children, how are you? You all are fine, right? Today in English class, we will read the first lesson of Communicate in English book. Okay, and here is a story, The Mango Tree. Okay, the story is about the mango tree and four children like you. Okay, now see children, here uh, before going to the story, let me tell you few things about mangoes. Okay, mangoes. What are mangoes? Mangoes are fruits. Okay, mango is a juicy and tasty fruit. It is very sweet when it is ripe, but when it is raw, it is very sour. Okay, and mango is our national fruit also. Okay, now let us go to the story. Before that, you see here is a grandmother. The grandmother makes few food items with mangoes for her mango party. Now come let us see what are the things she has made for her mango party. She has made kulfi, chutney, mango shake, jam, pickle, cake and kheer with mangoes. Okay. Now, let us see what does the story say. The story is about a mango tree and four children. They are Vasu, Amir, Leela, and Payal. Okay. See, all of you look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Here is a picture of a mango tree and four children. They are Leela, Vasu, Amir and Payal. Okay. What are they doing? They are playing under the cool shade of this mango tree. Generally, mangoes are available in the summer season and summer season is very hot. But see here these four children, they are not feeling hot because they are playing under the cool shade of this tree. Okay. Now here that Amir can see a nest in the tree and he says that uh, look at the nest. I think there are baby birds. By hearing this, that Vasu says that yes, I can hear the chirp chirp. So what is the meaning of chirp chirp? What is chirp chirp? Chirp chirp is the sound of birds. Okay. So Vasu can hear the chirp chirp of birds. At that time, Payal can see a mango which was about to fall. So Payal says that, see, this mango is going to fall. Please catch it. At that time, suddenly what happens, Suddenly it starts raining. But when it rains, these four children, they are not getting wet. Why? Because they are under the shade of the big mango tree. Okay. And they say that we are not getting wet because we are under the big green umbrella. So can you tell me children, what is that big green umbrella? Actually, the big green umbrella is that mango tree. Okay. Now all the children, they go go to their home. Okay. At home they start eating the mangoes. First of all, Payal and Leela, they are eating the juicy mangoes and enjoying the taste. Okay. At that time, grandmother says that your grandfather has planted this tree. So all children, when they saw this mangoes and the tree is so useful for them, they decided. I mean, they want to plant a tree. Okay, so they tell their father that daddy, we also want to plant a tree. Daddy says, yes, it is very good. Okay, you can also plant a tree. This Pile says that yes, daddy, and that tree will give us shade. And Leela says yes, it will give us fruits, and it will give the shelter to many other animals and birds also. So father says now, if you want to plant a tree, first of all, you will have to dig a hole. So please dig a hole, then plant a mango seed in it and then water it. And then you will have to take care of it. Okay. So now this is all about this story. Okay. Now what did you learn, children? You learned that if you want to plant a tree, first of all, you will have to dig a hole, then you will have to plant a seed, then you will have to water it, then you will have to take care of it. That's all. Okay, children? Thank you. Now, what you will have to do? You all will have to read all the spellings of this chapter. Okay? Thank you, children.